If you ever wondered how to make your baby's cereal at home, then you're in luck. Watch this video till the end. I made Cerelac using yellow corn, some soya bean, millet, rice. I also added some almonds and some dates. Make sure to clean out every grain, take out the sand and any dirt that comes with it, and you're going to transfer every grain into a large pan and we're going to begin to toast it. I made this Cerelac under 5,000 naira, which is under $2 or about $3 if I'm not mistaken. And trust me, I got about 5 liters of Cerelac powder out of this. If you've never tried making your own kids cereal at home before, trust me, you need to start making it. One thing is that you control exactly what your baby eats. You know what ingredients goes into your baby's food, and again, it saves you a lot of money. Back to this homemade Cerelac. You want to continue toasting these grains on medium to low heat till they are properly toasted. Please ensure to check if your child is allergic to almonds before you add them here. All ingredients and their measurements will be in my caption. Once my grains are properly toasted, I go ahead and add in some already toasted peanuts, which is groundnut, and I'm just going to toast that in this grain mix for about 2 minutes. Toasting the grains takes a minimum of 20 minutes to about 25 minutes to get them properly toasted because it is a lot. And for measurements, each grain here is about 4 cups. 4 cups of rice, 4 cups of soya bean, 4 cups of millet, and then I have 1 cup of almond and 1 cup of dates. Dates because I want to sweeten it using a natural sweetener and not processed sugar. Bear in mind that the original Cerelac has processed sugar in it. You can blend this cereal using a small miller like this if that is what you have at home. Just ensure to blend in batches and then you're going to sieve it out because this meal is not going to give you that fine powdery texture that you might be going for. So just blend it using this miller in small bits and then using a fine sieve, you're going to sieve out the chaff and then you would have the powdered cereal that you can make for your baby. Now let me show you exactly how fine this miller can get this cereal mix. And if you're watching up until this time and you're not subscribed, kindly click the subscribe button and be a part of this family. Make sure to give this video a like, share it and comment, as that would greatly encourage me. Do you see the texture I got from using that miller? Now another thing you could do is use a power blender, whatever power blender that you have that you know can really crush all these grains into powder. Just load up your powder and your grains, and then go ahead to blend. But make sure to do this in batches. Another thing you want to take note of is allow the grains to cool after roasting them in the pan before you start blending, just so it doesn't ruin your blender. Now, my blender can blend this grain into fine powder, and that is exactly what I did. I blended these for at least 10 minutes, and this is what you have: a very smooth, powdery Cerelac made at home under 5,000 naira, and these can serve my children a long time because even though they are no longer babies, they enjoy these very well. All you need to do is scoop this into a container, add in your baby's milk or formula or even breast milk, and then mix together and serve your baby. If you enjoyed this video, do let me know in the comments. Another way that you can store this, because I know you guys would ask, is in an airtight container, and you just store it in your pantry, or better still, you can put this in Ziploc bags and keep in your freezer, and it can stay as long as 3 to 4 months and nothing is going to happen to it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you learned a thing or two in this video. Let me know in the comments if you did, and if you would like to see more baby food recipes or what other recipes you would like to see on this channel. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and drop me a comment. Thank you and bye.